Yo guys, it's your boy Schwyz Weiz here today with another. Actually, no, this not another. This is my first unboxing. Doing Metallica's Reload. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Let's cut it into a little bit. Here we go. Sorry if I sound a little awkward. This is a very awkward camera setup. Might have to find out. I might have to find a new one once, like if this falls from the current position I'm at. I made a little contraption with my belt to hold up my phone against my chest with my belt around my neck. It's like a little harness. It's very uncomfortable. I usually use it and I balance the phone on my chest. I usually record vertical, but this isn't. Okay, anyway, there is the it cost me $11.99. Let's get that out of the way. But I got it at my local music store. It is yeah, good album, very underrated, although it has Fuel and other songs. What a banger. Here's the inside. I don't know if this is a reissue. Might be, might not be. Came out very easily. Sometimes CDs are a lot harder to get out of their cases just like that, but this one seems really smooth actually. Let's see. This is the wow, this is a thick booklet. You see this? Look at this thing. Wow. Oh, so it's like a page per song. There's 13 songs on here, so pretty cool. Memory Remains. That was a song I was trying to think about. Memory Remains is great. Devil's Dance. I was gonna get Load today, but I didn't because money-wise. Just do this. The Unforgiven 2. Excellent guitar work on this track. Better Than You. Slither. You guys can. Probably should take a little bit longer because you guys can pause if you want to look at it. Carpe Diem Baby. Bad Seed. Just a random extra page, I guess. It's pretty cool. Just a little collage. Where the Wild Things Are. Very cool. Prince Charming. Hey Mom, look, it's me. Sure thing. Low Man's Lyric. That was a single, I think. Could be wrong. Attitude. Pretty great. Fixer. What a banger right there. Very underrated. And then there's the final track list. Of course, you got James, Lars, Kirk, and Jason. With Bob Rock, the infamous bassist from Saint Anger. They basically kept it the same way. I mean, I'd imagine this is the same way that it was when the CD was released. But yeah, so I can just go ahead and put this on my CD player and see how it sounds. Okay, so here's my CD player. Here's the CD itself. Oh, sorry. Had a Weezer album in here already. Just take that out. Alright. So, here we go. Just grabbing it out of the case. There we go. Perfect. Alrighty, here we are. Let's turn the volume up. Give me fuel, give me fire, give me that which I desire. It's banger right here. Fuel, classic. Sounds pretty good, sound-wise. Of course, I just subbed sound. Keep in mind, it does matter what CD player you have. I'm using a Toshiba TYCW59. I just found out what model in my CD player is now. It's not too expensive, but it definitely still has the girth. But of course, that's all due to production and mixing and whatnot. But I mean, coming from this little thing, I mean. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it sounds good. You can actually hear Jason Newsted, unlike and Justice for All. But yeah, so pretty good. Great album, very underrated. Yeah, that's Load. It's my CD unboxing. I don't care that this album came out like, what, like 26 years ago? Something like that, 26 years ago? 27 years ago this album came out. I don't really care. It's great. But yeah, so that is Load, my unboxing. So yeah, anyways, see you guys, and yeah, tell me what you think. All right, see ya.